Let's make a banana bacon maple bourbon cake. First, get your band member out of the fridge. You know I need my music when I'm doing any kind of bacon. If you've seen season 1 of Sweet Spot, you know what I'm talking about. Wink, wink. So we start with, you guessed it, bananas. First, you yell at your sexy sous chef for deep-throating all the ingredients. When your sister shows up and does the slow-mo drizzle dance, you spread that delicious bourbon maple marinade that the bananas have been bathing in overnight all up on that thing. When she starts posing all cute in her cute sweater that her cute mom made for her, you add that first layer of buttercream, do a little dance yourself, and then level it off. Next, you build a, damn, that looks good. Add your drunk in love bananas that have been soaking up all that delicious alcohol and honey. I mean, come on, that looks good. Straighten your tie all Dangerfield-like she's about to do. Do a little dance yourself. And then you add your homemade whipped cream. Don't you dare buy that chemical store-bought shit. It's seriously super easy to make, super delicious. Just ask my friend, she'll lick anything if it's got whipped cream on it. Add that last sponge upside down and squeeze every last drop of that delicious cream over your cake and spread it in the style of what the cake people call a naked cake, because who doesn't like to eat their cake naked? I'm assuming that's what they mean, of course. You then stick it in the freezer and quickly say hello to the rest of the band. Now, grab your bacon. Oh wait, don't forget to like and subscribe to Sweet Spot TV. I'm told I'm supposed to say that more often. And drip the peanut butter white chocolate ganache down the sides. That's what the inside of the cake will look like. I made like 50 of these cakes to get the recipe right. Serve it up with an extra dollop of whipped cream. Do a little dance. Spread a little love. Eat cake tonight.